But these do work for most people. So if you loosen the straps off a little bit, get it on like a vest, zip it up, and then tighten up all the straps nice and snug. So you got 2 under each arm, 1 over each shoulder. Does anyone know how you test a PFD to make sure that it's on properly?
You jump in the water and see if it works?
Well, so that would be one way of testing it. A little bit committing, don't you think? So if it didn't work, then you wouldn't. You might regret your choice. If you hook your thumbs underneath the shoulder straps and try and pull it up, it shouldn't go up past your ears. If it goes up past your ears, that means that you'll probably be able to slip out of it.
I was the only one laughing.
Okay. Mondo? Maybe because you have to loosen it up a little bit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you need to get
It's kind of shaped like a spoon or kind of a scoop. Do you think I want the scoop facing me or facing away from me?
Facing you.
Yeah, facing me, so it's a lot more efficient for pulling water in. These paddles also have these fancy little rubber stoppers. If you have them on the outside of your hand, it'll stop some of the water drips. The other thing is to see how the paddle is tapered. You want it tapering down towards the water this way. Right, everyone can come in, grab one. They're just inside in the corner here.
Liz!
Sides, this is a little bit trickier to turn, but since we're on flat water, we don't need to turn super quick. So going straight is really good. Under the sides of the boat here, and then I'm sitting in the seat. And then I've got this little backrest, and I can use these straps to tighten it up so that I'm nice and secure in the kayak. Does that make sense? Yeah. Does anybody have any questions? Sweet. All right, so we'll start pulling. There's some boats over here.
Maybe you should flip it up.
How's that feel? Okay, your knees should be under the sides though. So I think you actually need to go shorter. Yeah, so you should be sitting in this kind of position. So your feet should be pushed against the 2 little pedals, and then your knees should be underneath those the padded parts, the thigh braces, and that way you're more easily to it's easier to control the tilt of your boat.
So you put it in this way. Oh no. Okay. And then try not to let go, like I almost did. Paddle anchor it to the dock. So if I put all my weight on this side, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna flip.
It's gonna flip. So instead of putting my hands on here, because that's kind of unstable, I'm just gonna put my hands in the middle of my paddle, because that'll distribute my weight really evenly, and it'll keep it from flipping. So then I'm gonna go in front of my paddle here, and I'm gonna put both hands on it, and then I'm gonna put one foot in, and the other foot in, and I'm gonna sit down, and then get myself all comfy, and sit down, and then I'm gonna take my paddle off. See? Does everybody get that? Does anybody have any questions?
Just wait. So grab onto that paddle, back in, and then reach your arm onto the other end. Yeah, because that braces you against the dock, right? There you go. Now slide on over, just like that. No, all you.
Do we need all those facing the same way?
See what happens when you grab onto this?
Yes.
Yes, that's why you want to hold onto the paddle. So you comfortable in the boat? Yeah. And give you a little push, and just stay right in this area, okay?
Oh.
And kayak set. Find but it's still a decent sized lake.
That's awesome. Yeah, I've heard of Turtle Lake before. Never been there.
Okay, let's go, losers. Big gun over
Oh,
there.
you got it. I'm happy to help out too. Yeah.
This isn't the way I usually would get in. Usually I would be getting in a dock about this high above the water.
Oh, that makes it just more challenging. Wanna pop it in?
I'm more used to that way though,
Yeah.
so I'm able to do that faster than this.
Alright.
Forward a little bit and have your paddle in front of you, and then paddle kind of like, up here, and then pull out as you're getting to your hips. So it looks kind of like this. If I follow through my hips, I'm going to turn a lot. Aaron's going to show you what that looks like.
Also lifting a lot of water too versus pushing it, and that's not very efficient.
Yeah, exactly. And then paddling backwards or slowing down is exactly the same thing, but you're going to lean back. So you're going to lean back and then paddle kind of behind you and pull your paddle out as the blade gets to your hips. You're not going to rotate your paddle to get the scoopy side going back. You're going to always have that facing you.